Hey everybody, if you needed a tool to record your computer screen and instructions, maybe to show your students how to do things, a great free source for this is Screencast-o-matic. And this tutorial is going to show you how to set up an account and get started on it. Okay, so the first thing is that it is screencast-o-matic.com. You don't have to put the dashes in. You could literally just type Screencast-o-matic all together as one word, and it'll redirect to this. But there you go. That's the web address. Very straightforward. And then we're going to sign up up here in the corner. So what we're going to do is sign up using a district account. If you could hear that, there's the Air Force. Create an account. You have to verify your email address. So before proceeding, please click your email for verification link. So I'm going to click over here to my email that I have up online, and it's not here yet. So we will wait for it to show up. Well, it's still not showing up. Let's see if it's in junk email. There it is, in the junk email. So click on this. And identified as junk, I can click it is not junk. And I can report that, and that'll help Microsoft to identify things as not junk. And when I reported it as not junk, it moves it automatically into my inbox. So I can come back up here. Click the link below to get started. And it is not clickable. I would imagine that's because it had been marked as junk at some point. So what we're going to do, because it's not clickable, is to highlight it. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy. You can right-click and copy. You could right-click and go directly to it depending on your web browser. Add a new tab at the top, paste it in, hit Enter. Now we're coming back to our login. So this tab here, where it says verify your email address, this is a dead tab now. We can't go any further with that, so we can close that. We're on this new tab here, and let's fill out the information. Okay, I'm going to agree with the terms of service and create an account. Voila! So now I have an account. It was that simple. Well, this depends. It's up to you. I'm going to hit save because this is my computer. If this was a public computer, like if you're at the library for some reason, you would not save that. But anyway, there's that. So if you want to create a video, we'll go like super Inception level here and make a video of us making a video, and you'll record. Launch recorder. So it takes a second, but it's going to launch. And it has to download the launcher. So basically it's adding a piece of software onto your computer, and that is perfectly fine. So we're going to open the file once it's downloaded, and we'll see what Windows says about it. Recorder has launched.